How to fix Valorant. This error, if you want to fix it, it's easy. First, all you need to do just open Task Manager. Now all you need to do just scroll down and make sure there is no application here related to Valorant like Vanguard or Riot Games or something like that. And if you find it, just click on it and click End Task. That's it. After that, type here Services. And then scroll down, and here scroll until you find VGC. Right click on VGC. If you can't click stop here, just make sure to stop this service. Stop it and then go to properties, make it automatic. You will find it like that. Make it automatic, apply and OK, and that's it. Now your program must be fixed. Just try again, try to launch it as an administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.